Hi guys, I'm going to show you our new machine by Katway, a ring bending machine. As you can see here, we have everything. The whole set is here. We have our screws, we have everything. I'm going to show you how it works. So let's start. So what we do first, if we're going to use this machine, it's quite heavy. So we need to hinge it to the table. Very heavy, quite heavy. Hinge it to the table. You can insert the handle. Yes, the handle, just like this. It's a screwing, so it's quite easy. Fits perfectly. Then you use to turn this way. Next, we are going to hinge it to the table so that it doesn't move. Screw number 1. In. Screw number 2. Then the other small ones. Yeah, firmly hinged to the table. So now I'm going to show you the storage base. We have our gauges. We have the from 12 to 22, and the angle benders 45, 90, and 60. So now I'm going to show you how we can use it, right? We are going to go into the detail of how to use our Katway ring bending machine. So we have our storage box, as you can see. We have the gauges and the angle bending dies. So we're going to take, for instance, the 18 gauge. The 18 gauge, you can see we have 2 dies. This is for the harder metal, this is for the softer metal if you don't want to damage your material. So we're going to use this since this is just a trial. So slot this inside the slot, then the die follows. Next up we have the ring, our material. Just fix it in just a little past the edge, then start the work. In a few seconds, we are going to have a proper ring. You can see, let me put it on. You can see we have a proper ring in just less than 30 seconds. Now, it fits perfectly, and every time you do this, it's going to give you the same result. So now for the angle bending dies, we are going to take the 90 degree. We have the pole, and this is the die, and the alternative die, as you can see, 3 pieces. We are going to use the normal ones since the material we have is quite hard. It's not soft, so there's no risk of damage. So fit into the slot, fit the die in its position, and get our material. Make sure it's well aligned, right, so that you have perfect results. Then fix it. You can see, yeah, perfect 90 degrees. So now we're going to try the 60. We're going to try the 60 angle bender. You can see the two alternative dies and the pole. We fit the pole and fit the die. Our metallic piece. Make sure it's well aligned. I think you can have a look. Perfect 60 degrees. Now, next up, we're going to try the 45-degree bender. The two dies, the softer and the harder, and the pole. Fit the pole into its position. Fit the die into its position. Let's start the work. Make sure it's aligned properly. Fit the metal there. And bend. Minimum force. Perfect 45 degrees. So, as you can see, all our results. So this is our Katway ring bending machine. What do we get from this machine? We get consistency, we get time saving, we use very little energy, and overall we save money. So I would urge you, all the craftsmen out there, if you want to do things in an easy, fast, and modern way, you should get this machine. It has very many options, as you have seen. Everything you need. This is as good as it gets. So get one and you'll have very beautiful work. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.